Hi, I'm Hardscape Nate with Rosetta Hardscapes. Welcome to another product information video, and today we're talking about the new Mission Paver. As we go to unwrap this, remember to hang on to your bag for at the end of the day, any leftover product we can recover it, as well as hanging on to your product label. All the pertinent information there, pallet weight and so on, as well as product run information of date and time in case our manufacturer has any questions about it. Let's get this packaging off. All right, now that we have this unpackaged, let's dive into the details of our new Mission Paver. You get 8 layers on this pallet, a pallet coming in at approximately 3,000 pounds with 100 square feet of coverage. The closer we look here at our pavers, you'll notice that we have 3 sizes all on the same pallet. We have our 6x9, our 9x9, and our 9x12 in 2 3/4 inch thickness. This is perfect for that light vehicular application. So your driveway, or if we take it to the backyard, our patios, our walkways, and that commercial application of a courtyard, these are perfect for. You'll notice that we have our tumbled slate texture on the face with a tight modern joint. Thank you for joining me on this product information video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.